Imagine looking up at the night sky and feeling the universe whispering its secrets to you. That's what astrophotography does. It immerses you in a celestial dance, making the cosmos a part of your life with just a single click. Once you've captured the beauty of the night, there is no turning back. From amateur stargazers to seasoned professionals, the quest to capture the essence of the universe drives us to refine our techniques, explore new technologies, and seek out the perfect vantage points. It's not just about snapping pictures, it's a journey of discovery and connection with the universe. One of the telescopes of our friend Vitaly found its home in the SPICA observatory, opening doors to effortless, fully automated imaging. Huge thanks to Agapios and Stelios for giving us opportunity to enjoy the dark skies of Prodromos. Now the night sky gems are within our reach, allowing us to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos than ever before. Stay tuned